Planner Pals. It's Vanessa from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I want to welcome you all back to my channel and another planner video. And I will be using these stickers here from... Oh, there's no... Oh, these are from one of my other planner books that I got. Dollar Tree. There's some from Dollar Tree, some from one of my planners that I bought. It depends. So we're going to get right into it. First off, I need my washi. I know we're still in February, so I'm going to use red and white washi. I'm going to use these. Okay? So let's get started. Let me move these out of the way. I have my little cheat sheet on the side, so that doesn't make a difference. So I'm going to take this one, which looks like marble. Let's find the end of it. Well, there we go. This is the first time I used this one, so that's why it's not like the others. Because I usually fold over the beginning of the tapes to know where I am when I want to use them. This is going to be a little bit fussy. Make that a lot fussy. Okay, let me straighten it out. Apparently it won't let me cut it. There we go. Okay, now I can get started. And I'm going to do just the side and the middle here. The sides in the middle. And of course, it doesn't go the way I want it to go. I don't think this tape is very good. Okay, let's try this again. And I see it already starting to tear. Well, we might not be using this one, guys. Let's see if this will work. Hopefully it does. Keep our fingers crossed. I'm going to go really slow with it. I'm just going to lay it down so it's not so tight. Just let it fall where it wants to fall. Now we're going to do the center. Just let it go where it wants to go. And then the other side. And I'm trying not to pull it too tight. That's why I just let it fall. There we go. Then we can take our scissors and trim off the excess. Or you can fold it back. But I rather trim. There we go. Apparently didn't want to trim either. There. Let me clear all this off. And what I'm gonna do is retape this one a little out and fold it over. Still letting it drop where it wants to drop. Now take it and fold it over a little bit. There we go. I like it this way better. Okay. And now, and of course, it's upside down. There we go. Yeah. Finally. And then on these lines here, I'm going to do different colors. Well, the same colors, different shapes. Again, just letting it drop. Let me see how I want this one done. Because I know I have 3 thin ones, so. And I'm going to use all 3 of them. There are 3 different shapes, but all the same color, which is okay. I'm going to trim this off. Just lightly putting it down and cutting it. So we're going to go again with this one. Just doing the dark black lines. Now this one. I like the way it gives the look on the book, on the page. Oops, that one's not yet straight. No, it ain't. Good. Let's see. I have to turn this one upside down in order to get it the way I want it. There we go. I'm going to leave it this way. So we have this one, now this one. Now we're going to go back to this one. Nope, that's it. Okay. Now I'm going to look for my appointments on my little cheat sheet. And the only one I have is the 24th. So I'm going to take my stickers and look for an appointment, which is right here. I don't have my tweezers, so I'm just going to stick it down with my finger, which is okay. And just mark in 9 a.m. Now, the rest of the week I have nothing. So, but I have things to do. Okay? So we're going to mark all the things to do for next week. I'm hoping you're going to have a great week. So, let's see. Do I have any video thingies? Oh, let's do the Hello Weekend and stuff. Here's our Hello Weekend. And we're going to start that on Friday. And go all the way down. Yeah, yeah. Then we're going to do, I'll write it down. And don't forget it. Then on the back, I would do something a little different. Here I go. This could be my plans. Okay. And I'm going to get yay off of here and put it on Friday for Friday. Let's see, where's Friday? Friday. There. Okay. Then I'm going to put here on Sunday, I'm going to do a chillaxing. And then Wednesdays, I do email. And make calls. So I'm going to get this little hello phone. And put it there. I have no birthdays that week for this week here. But I do like my coffee, so we're going to get a little coffee cup and put it on Monday. That's cute. I might have to buy some more Family Dollar stickers. I seem to like them. Fridays is grocery shopping. So we're going to put a little grocery cart up here. And I think that is all. Oh no, I gotta put a little paw on Fridays to take my dog a bath. Woohoo! And on the back of here, I'm gonna make a to-do list. Gonna put that over here. And that's it. And I want a sticker for myself to remind me to dream big. I'm gonna put that right down here. Make today great. And get her done. Get it done. Yes. And that is it. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I go live, when I upload a video, or when I do a premiere. So, I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Have a great week, and bye bye for now.